Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hollow Knight on guitar. First, familiarize yourself with the game's iconic soundtrack. Many pieces are perfect for acoustic guitar, especially the main theme. Start by finding accurate tabs or sheet music online, which will guide your finger placement. Pay close attention to the tempo and dynamics to truly evoke the game's unique mood. This foundational step is crucial for a successful and enjoyable learning experience. To truly capture the essence of Hollow Knight's music, focus on developing precise fingerpicking. Many themes rely on arpeggiated chords and delicate melodies, requiring individual string plucking. Practice common chord shapes, such as G major and C major, as they appear frequently. Experiment with different picking patterns to find what feels most natural and sounds best. Remember, consistency in your picking hand is key to a clear and resonant sound. For a more advanced approach, consider incorporating techniques like hammer-ons and pull-offs to create smoother transitions and a more fluid sound. Experiment with different guitar tones if you're using an electric, perhaps adding a touch of reverb to mimic the game's atmospheric soundscapes. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your dexterity and musicality. Don't be afraid to slow down difficult sections and master them before speeding up. There are many fantastic online resources available, including YouTube tutorials and guitar tab websites dedicated to Hollow Knight. Joining online forums can also connect you with other musicians who share your passion, offering tips and encouragement. Continue exploring new pieces from the soundtrack to expand your repertoire and challenge your skills. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your daily routine smoother, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.